welcome back. So today, I am, by popular demand, so you've all been seeing me do oh, by the way, my name is Amanda, and I am an independent color street stylist, and I have been asked by many of you that you would like for me to show you how I do my braids. And actually, we're gonna do this, work up so you can see, so I can make sure I'm in view. All right, so you'll want to have 3 colors. Your base color, and then I think I actually need another one. I was thinking about that before I went on. This one. No, we're gonna go with that one. I'll be all right. So you want 3 colors. I don't want to do it yet. So your base color, and then your second color. Oh, no. Your second, and then your third, which would be your base. All right. And you'll want to cut strips. First, pull off your purple tab, which I'm pretty sure I'll need. Oh, come on. All 3. Just pull this one off. I pray this is enough of that one. And okay, so we'll cut your strips the size that you want. Okay. There's that one. I may not need that one, because my nails are shorter this time than they were the last time. Oops, and I lost that one. Okay. And then I'm not gonna cut that one yet. Oh, I'm not even gonna cut that one. So I'm showing you how to do this from start to finish. And as you can tell, I'm not the world's greatest scissors. Okay, so I want those sorted out. So I have equal amount of strips for each finger. Okay, so got 4 there, got 4 there. All right. We'll wait on this one. All right, so first you want to take your color 1. What do I got? I must have cut that one into, nope, I did it right. And then color 2. And make a cross. Was that him right there for a moment till I get this picked up. I have to do that where I want it. Come on, lift up. I think he's gonna be stuck. Even though I didn't push him down, he's stuck. Oh well. Don't stick on my finger either. Don't do that. And then you'll take your next color. Peel it off. And then you're going to lay it right back down on this. Wait. And back to color 1. So you're just making a braid. And then back to color 2. Why am I not lining that up right? We're going to just leave it today. Back to color 3. All right, so I got new glasses and I still can't see the greatest with them. Maybe it's because right now I got so much. And then back to color 1. And then you want to go like that. Back to color 2. And back to color 3. And then lift her up. Take your scissors. Trim around her. You can do this on your nail. I've not tried it on my nail to do this. I just mainly do them flat on the where I do my nails at. And you'll want to push all those down so they'll stick. All right, so there's the first nail. Oh, I need to cut that little glitter piece off. There you go. There is one finger. Let's go to the next one. Take your first color. Let's see if I can put it better, make my cross better. That's better. It's more where I wanted it the first time. All right. Make your cross over that again, and then back to color 1, and then over, line it up to the edge of color 2. And then color 2. Line it up to color 3. My first time that I made a braid, I lost track of where I was at, and it did not quite look like a braid. And so that's how I keep track, is by saying color 1, color 2, and then color 3. And that first time around, I did not organize them. So line it up to color 1. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. Now color 3. Color 1. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Back to color 1 now. Line it up to color 2. All right. Now color 2. Looks like I didn't need that second one of these. And you can basically do any color that is coordinating that you want. I've seen black, purple, and pink together. And I've seen different colors. And then my last one. Yeah, I think I didn't need that second one of that poppy that I used. And see that last color, it like, you can't tell that I did not get it up close because it's the same color. turn it over and cut it around there so you can see where it's at. I need a little bit more closer. I think I was off camera on that for you. I'm sorry. Okay, so there we have it. We have 2 braided fingernails. What do you think? Tell me in the comments. I'm gonna press it down. Did you like my tutorial? Tell me that. What you thought. All right. So, thank you for watching. And be on the lookout for the video that this mani will be in, this braid will be included in, be part of. And I haven't decided which order I'm going to upload them. If I'm going to do this braid, probably will do this braid first in the uploads. So if you like my content, what we're putting out, give us a thumbs up and likes and subscribe. And I am an independent color street stylist. And thank you for watching, and have a nail-tastic day or evening wherever you're at. And bye!